Every day is a new day and a second chance. Good morning, dear students, and welcome back to our English grammar class. Today, we are going to take up our new lesson, that is lesson number 8, the past tenses. Now, children, let us see what is a past tense. Children, the verb that refers to the past time is said to be in the past tense. Children, the past tenses are classified as the simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense. Let us see them one by one. Let us start with simple past tense. Children, simple past tense indicates an action which is completed at a definite time in the past. For example, we bought a new car. He did not draw beautiful pictures last week. Now children, let us see the formula of simple past tense. Now for positive sentences, that is affirmative sentences, we will use subject plus verb and the second form of the verb. For example, I ate an apple in the morning. Now children, let us see for the negative sentences. For negative sentences, we will write subject, then did not, and verb, the first form of the verb, and the object. For example, I did not eat an apple in the morning. Then children, for interrogative sentences, we'll write did, then subject and the first form of the verb. For example, did I eat an apple in the morning? Now children, let us see the uses of simple past tense. We use the simple past tense to talk about finished actions and events which were completed at a specific time in the past. For example, he drew beautiful pictures last week. Second, of finished actions and situations that happened very long ago but are connected to the present with the specified time reference. For example, my parents ate a lot of junk food when they were young. Third, repeated actions of past habits or routine. For example, when I was young, I played the violin. Fourth, actions that started in the past continued for some duration and stopped in the past. For example, she talked on the phone for 30 minutes. Fifth, past habits or states which are now finished. We can also use used to here. For example, when we were in Delhi, we used to go to Chandni Chowk every month. So it is a habit. Now children, let us see what is past continuous tense. Past continuous tense express the actions or tasks that were going on in the past. Now children, let us see the formula of making sentences in past continuous tense, and it is like will use subject, then will add was or were. Was is used for singular subject and were is used for plural subjects, and along with it will use the ing form of the verb. For example, I was washing the dishes when the phone rang. Now children, let us see how to make negative and interrogative sentences out of affirmative sentences. Now children, to make negative sentence out of affirmative or the positive sentences, we will use subject plus was or were plus not, and along with it we'll add ing form of the verb. For example, she was not sleeping when he came home. Now children, to make interrogative sentences, the formula is we'll start with was or were plus subject. The position of the subject will change here. Subject will come in between, and then we'll add the ing form of the verb. For example, was she sleeping when he came home? Now children, let us see the uses of past continuous tense. We use past continuous tense to talk about an unfinished action that was interrupted by another action. For example, I was having dinner when the phone rang. Actions that lasted for a while. For example, I was working in the garden all day. Third, the background in a story. For example, I was driving to work, the sun was shining and birds were singing. Actions that were happening again and again. For example, she was always complaining about her job. Fifth, two actions that were happening at the same time. For example, I was studying while my mother was watching television. Sixth, an action that was in progress at the stated time in the past. For example, the children were sleeping in the afternoon today. Hope children you have understood the lesson till here. We'll continue our lesson in our next video. Till then, have a nice day.